Do you all know? 75 years from today, we got independence from the British Raj. But to attain this freedom, a lot of brave warriors of our country had to sacrifice their lives. Bhagat Singh, at the age of just 22, left a perfect job and joined his friends Sukhdev and Rajguru to fight for the freedom of the country. He even lost his life during that struggle. Mahatma Gandhi left a perfect household life and started the Satyagraha movement. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought with a baby on her back till her very last breath. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, fought to unite our country. Even today, we have so many brave warriors at the border of our country fighting for our freedom. Keeping the sacrifices of all these people in mind, let us pledge today that we will always stay united, no matter which country we belong to, no matter what our color is or what our religion is. Jai Hind and a very happy Independence Day.
आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता की चाह कौन नहीं रखता है? एक पक्षी भी स्वतंत्रता की चाह रखता है। नीड़ न दो चाहे टहनी का, आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो। पक्षी भी स्वतंत्र आकाश में उड़ना चाहता है। हमने अपने देश को विदेशियों से 1947 में स्वतंत्र तो करा लिया, परंतु स्वार्थ पूर्ति के लिए मानव आज भी दूसरे मानव पर अत्याचार कर रहा है। कभी धर्म के नाम पे झगड़े, कभी जाति के नाम पर झगड़े। अतः अब हमें सोचना होगा कि कैसे इस स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखें। हमें अपनी दूषित मानसिकता को त्यागना होगा, आपसी भेदभाव को मिटाना होगा, आपसी झगड़ों को भूलना होगा और एक दूसरे का हाथ थामकर आगे बढ़ना होगा। तभी हम इस स्वतंत्रता का सुख ले सकते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is the day when we remember the brave freedom fighters and our ancestors who sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Our ancestors saw a dream to make our India better for living. So it's our duty to make their dreams true. It's our duty to, wherever we are living or wherever we will go, try to spread the fragrance of being an Indian. Try to make your India proud. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind.
A very happy 75th Independence Day to all my children and all the parents. A happy Independence Day to each and every citizen of my country. This Independence Day, let us not just remember the freedom fighters and their tribute for our independence, but also remember all those people who have actually contributed to the growth and development of our country in past 75 years. It's the hard work and toil of so many people that has actually let India stand on a position which it is today. Children, you all can also contribute towards the freedom of your country. Your education is the key using which you can increase the growth and stability and also contribute in the development of your country. Take your freedom very seriously. Take your education very seriously. And along with that, do not forget to pay a tribute to all those people behind the freedom of your country. Children, Independence Day is not just a one-day wonder. It's the toil and hard work of so many years. And we are really privileged and lucky to be born in free India. And it is our duty to always keep the glory and harmony of our nation alive. A happy Independence Day to all of you once again. And remember, it's through your education that you can contribute to the growth and stability of your country. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. I wish that all of us will strive together to be the best citizens of our country. Jai Hind.
Good morning children, a very happy Independence Day to the youngest section of our nation. You people are the most important person of our nation, and your education is the biggest gift for our country. Lots of blessings from my side that will help you to achieve your dream. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Very good morning to all of you. So here I wish you a very happy Independence Day. So after the 2 centuries of British rule, we finally got the freedom because of the hard work of our freedom fighter. This freedom means a lot of us because this freedom gives us a different rights that is called fundamental rights, like right of equality, right of education and right of freedom. So this independence means a lot for us. So we can say that this Independence Day is a proud, great and significant day for all of us. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Shipra Banerjee and today I want to wish you a very happy 75th celebration of our Independence Day. This is the day on which we give our gratitude to all the martyrs who sacrificed their life and struggled very hard for this independence. So I wish you all a happy Independence Day.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, 75 years ago, our country India got freedom from the British rule. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from the British slavery. So today we celebrate this day to pay tribute to those freedom fighters. There were many freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. who gave their lives and liberated our country from the British rule. Today, after 75 years of independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field, like education, military strength, sports, technology, etc. So, it is our responsibility as a proud citizen of India that we should perform our duty sincerely and progress together for the growth and the betterment of our country.
Hello everyone. Today I just want to share my views on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year. Independence Day in India is a national holiday. Independence Day is a very important day in the life of every Indian because year after year it reminds us our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled their life in order to free our motherland from the British rule. We should proud to be Indian and we should admire our fortune that we have been born in the land of the independent India. From the year 1857 to 1947, the lives of the great freedom fighters and the several decades of the struggle were sacrificed. All the citizens of this country need to celebrate the Independence Day to show our solitude towards the nation. Thank you so much.
हेलो एवरीवन, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आज हम सभी आजादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ को मना रहे हैं। हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के द्वारा किए गए कार्यों को आज के दिन हम याद करते हैं और उनको नमन करते हैं। हमारा भारत देश जो कि अंग्रेजों के अधीन था, हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने और हमारे महान नेताओं ने अपने अथक प्रयास के द्वारा हमारे भारत देश को आजाद कराया और अपने को देश के लिए समर्पित किया। 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा भारत देश आजाद हुआ। बच्चों के लिए एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगी कि बच्चों, हमें जो भी कर्तव्य होता है, अगर हम अपने कर्तव्य को ईमानदारी के साथ करते हैं तो हमें सफलता अवश्य मिलती है। ठीक है ना बच्चों? और कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी कि कठिन परिश्रम को भुला नहीं सकते, हम भारतीय उस कर्ज को दे सलामी उस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना जब तक दिल में जान है। जय हिंद।
My dear children, on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, let us salute our great nation and our freedom fighters, for they are the ones who got us freedom. Always be proud to be as an Indian. Thank you all. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day to my lovely kids, dear parents. We should never forget the sacrifice our freedom fighters have done to get us this freedom. Children, we should always pay tribute to our freedom fighters, their sacrifice they have done to get us the freedom which we are enjoying today. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, doing well at your home. Okay, that's good. Do you all know which day is today? Today is 15th of August, which we call as what? Independence Day. On this day, we have got so many freedoms. We have got freedom of speech, freedom of religion, and many freedoms we have got on this day. So we should pay our respect to our nation, to its cultural heritage, and we should pay respect to our soldiers, our freedom fighters who have fought for us. We should protect our nation and we should pay respect to our nation. So wishing you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. A very happy Independence Day to all of you, my lovely kids. As you know, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year, and we use our national flag on this day. You all have seen national flag? It has 3 colors, orange, white and green. It has a chakra between it and we call it Ashok Chakra. It has 3 colors. That is the reason we call it Tiranga. As we celebrate Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, it is our national festival. We celebrate it every year on 15th August with great joy and happiness. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Kids, how are you all? I hope all my kids are doing great. Okay, that's really great. Do you know, children, today is which day? Today is 15th August and this day is celebrated as Independence Day in our country. Do you know why we celebrate Independence Day, children? We celebrate Independence Day because before 15th of August, we were not having any right regarding education, whether it is education, whether it is sports, whether it is business, in any kind of field. Whether there was any field, there was no right because of the Britishers' rules. But you know, our forefathers, our soldiers, which were very brave, they all fought against all those Britishers, and just because of all their sacrifices, that is the day which we are celebrating today as Independence Day. So let's give our respect, give respect to all the brave soldiers and our forefathers, and a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.